Hey, what's up, guys? Here we are again with another video. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded, but here we are again. Just like the title said, today we're going to be replacing the headlights, and one of the HID bulbs went out, so we're going to do that as well. I was just waiting on the parts to get in. Let me show you what we got over here. So we got the bolts, and then we have the new assembly here. These were 68 or $58. See that better there. These actually come with bulbs, but those are like the original, your standard 9005, 9006 for the high end regular beams. So you get your left and right headlight here. And again, both of them come with the bulbs. I think that's really good because in AutoZone, the bulbs themselves are like $20. So if you take that into consideration, it's like you bought everything for like 40 bucks. You get the ones on the bottom as well. And that looking nice. I like that black tone that they have. They're gonna look better once they're on. And then you also get the little ones that go on the side. So you get everything. It's a good price for, what did I say, $58 I believe that I paid for. It didn't even take that long to get here. I think it was like 5 days. So that was 58, 68, and then these were $10. As far as the tools goes, this is all you're gonna need. That's a size 8, and that's to remove all these little bolts here. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's like 5, 6, and then there's like 2 inside, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did this before whenever I did the HID video, so it's gonna be pretty much the same thing. I'm gonna take it down, and of course take the old assembly out, and then put the new one, and that'll be it. So stay tuned, and we're gonna do that today, okay? So you might want to get a cup for this part because you don't want to lose these. Alright guys, so we got the grill out, as you can see. Now let me bring this back, there we go. So now we need to take these off. They're connected by, I don't know if you can see that, but it's 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Those were actually size 10, so we're actually gonna need a ratchet and a size 10 to remove those. So yeah, let's do that now. Alright guys, so we got done with everything now. I was testing out the HID lights because remember I told you that the driver's side was out. At least that's what I thought. But it looks like it's this guy that's not working. Because I was testing out the new ones. It still wasn't giving me any spark on this side. So then I switched everything to this side. And then that one's working. So that lets me know that this is the thing that's not working, so we're gonna have to order a new one. And for the meanwhile, I'm gonna just have the regular lights on, the stock ones, the ones that came in with the new headlights. So that's what we're gonna do. So now I'm just gonna take those out, put the new ones in, and yeah. Alright, so I already took all the harness out well, not the harness, but the valves from this side and that side, because we're not going to be using the HIDs for right now. Now what I'm going to do, the grill, I'm going to take these out on both sides, and pretty much all you need to do is just unscrew these with some pliers on both sides. Well, you can see it better on this side. Just gotta undo those and put the new ones in, but that'll be it for that. Alright guys, so we got done with this part. Look at that. So we got the ones on the bottom, the ones on the side. Let's check these to the side out. See the ones on the bottom, the ones on the side. So now we just gotta put those other ones. Remember, before you put these in, make sure you put the wires in. So your short one, you see there's a long one and a short. The short one's gonna be for the low or regular beams, and then this one's gonna be for the regular one. So I'm gonna hook those up first, and then we'll get to work. So let me just put y'all down here. Alright, so those are in. They're hooked up and everything. So now that it's all I have to do now is, put those where they go, which they go on the bottoms, and put the grill back on. So let me put y'all down and let me put this in there, okay?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I made a mistake. I wasn't supposed to put these just yet because I need for this to be out in order to screw this one and the one on the other side. So I'm gonna have to take those out and then mount it, and then we'll go from there. So let me just do this real quick and then I'll start mounting it. Alright, so I went ahead and took those out. So as you can see, I did that. Same thing on the other side because I forgot that I need access. You see that one right there? I needed access to screw that one down, otherwise the grill doesn't stay pretty firm. So I just had to do that. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and mount it real quick. Let me just sit y'all down here. We'll get it done real quick. There she goes, guys. This is the final product. This is how she looks without the lights on. I gotta say, they look freaking nice. I'm actually thinking of just staying with the stock lights for a while, because I just don't feel like going through the trouble of having to remove the grill just to put the HIDs again. You know, it's easy, but it's time consuming sometimes. But that's how she looks. That's how the truck looks. It's coming along. It's coming along. We got more things to do, of course. And again, thank you for watching the video, making it this far. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna try to post more content in the coming weeks. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do it at least once a week. Again, thank you. Like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, and see you next time. Peace.